Keep the cycle in the position shown in the video on the floor or on the table. Clean the grease holes on the PDS. Loosen the grease hole plug in main housing. Fill the grease through the hole by using 20 ml syringe and rotating the wheel on both sides. Close the grease hole again and tight properly. Do the same in front housing and rear housing grease holes and ensure proper tightening of screws. Clean the D gear cover area and use the screwdriver and remove the D gear cover. Fill the grease on the D gear and rotate the gear by using pedal arm. Fix the D gear cover again and tight the screw properly. Check the wheel rotation by changing the gear speeds and feel smoothness. Use the Allen key and check the tightness of handbar stem bolts. Check all the bolts and screw like this for the areas indicated in this video. Check the front wheel quick release clamp tightness by your hand. Check the fork play by your thumb pressure as shown. If play observed, tight the top screw slightly. Check the brake efficiency.